Good morning. I am Navas sir, faculty of biology. It is a continuous lecture of chapter number 3, that is the plant kingdom. So in this plant kingdom, I think it is the second video. Okay, this classification of algae means algae classification. In previous video, I have given the general characters, general information regarding the algae. इससे पहले का जो वीडियो था उसमें एल्गी के बारे में एक सामान्य जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन दी थी. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एल्गी, हैबिटेट ऑफ एल्गी, थैलस ऑफ एल्गी, कलर ऑफ द एल्गी, रिप्रोडक्शन इन एल्गी एंड इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस. सो हियर it was that was the general information. Now it is the classification on the basis of pigments. This algae are classified into the 3 class. Class 1, this is class 1, class 2, class 3. Class 1 is the chlorophyceae, green algae. Class 2 is the phaeophyceae, brown algae. Class 3 is rhodophyceae, red algae. यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स लिखे हुए हैं बोर्ड के ऊपर. ओके, 1, 2, 3 तीनों के बारे में, लेकिन इसको अपने डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, नंबर 1, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल chlorophyceae. The algae class 1 is the chlorophyceae. First, habitat. Habitat means where they live, where they grow. They are found in both habitat, fresh water as well as marine water. फ्रेश वाटर का मैंने तुमको पहले बता दिया है कि जब कभी फ्रेश वाटर टर्म का यूज हो, इट मीन्स दिस वाटर इन रिवर, in lake, in pond, in well water. So this is called fresh water, मीठा पानी, and salty water, sea water, marine water. So they are found in both. Some species found in the fresh water, others are found in the marine water. It is the habitat of chlorophyceae. Second, regarding the thallus. Thallus means body structure. Thallus means body structure, means a few members are unicellular and maximum are multicellular. So both unicellular and multicellular, this organism or the algae are found. Filament structure is filamentous or colonial. Filamentous means the structure of thallus is a long thread-like structure. एक लंबा धागा जैसे होता है, एक ग्रीन कलर का थ्रेड हो, इस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, that is called filament. And others are found in group, in a colony. Just you see here, ball box. This is the diagram of ball box. It is a chlorophyceae, and it is the diagram of this Spirogyra. It is a thread-like structure, filamentous structure. So some are found in the colonial form, colony, and others are found in filamentous structure. Okay, they are multicellular. In this ball box, it float on the surface of fresh water. The outer cells, there are many cells, 1, 2, 3, 5, many cells. They united together, they form a colony. So here, these outer cells which are present on the peripheral region of the colony, they are having the flagella. You see here, this is flagella, and with the help of this flagella, they move on the surface of water. Here, this is the structure of a Spirogyra. It is a filamentous structure, green in color, thread-like structure. They spread on the surface of water. So this is thallus structure. Now regarding the pigments, it is green in color. Color of the algae is green. due to the presence of chlorophyll A and B, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B present in this algae. That's why the color is green. And regarding the shape of chloroplast, where this chlorophyll is found? Chlorophyll is found in chloroplast. And the shape of the chloroplast? The chloroplasts are multiple shape. Some chloroplasts are disc-like, others are ribbon shape, others are spiral. अब यहां पर देखो, इसके अंदर मैंने ब्लैक कलर से शो किया हुआ है. ओके, ये ब्लैक कलर से कैसे? जस्ट लाइक दिस स्पाइरल, दिस फॉर्म. ये क्या है? ये सेल नहीं है, ये सेल ऑर्गेनेली है. सेल के अंदर पाए जाने वाला क्लोरोप्लास्ट है. उस क्लोरोप्लास्ट का स्ट्रक्चर स्पाइरल है. तो क्लोरोप्लास्ट का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इट इज ऑल्सो वेरिएबल इन शेप. सम डिस्क-लाइक, रिबन शेप, स्पाइरल शेप, डॉट शेप, लेंस शेप, biconvex shape, many types of, but they are having the chlorophyll A and B. That's why the color of this chloroplast is green and the color of the entire cell is green. They are autotrophic, it is clear, because they can synthesize their food in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of water, CO2 and chlorophyll. First, by the method of photosynthesis, they can synthesize food as a glucose, convert it to the starch. Then reproduction. This reproduction is three types: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means if by artificial method or by natural method, if you are cutting this spirogyra into three pieces. Here, 1, 2, 3. We have cut the filament of the spirogyra in two pieces, or you can cut the colony of this ball box into the two parts. So the fragment have the capacity to develop into a long filament, into a complete colony. Okay, that is called vegetative reproduction. Then asexual reproduction. This vegetative, then fragmentation method, asexual. Asexual reproduction means any cell of this colony produce the spore. Spore means just you see here, it is the structure of spore. Flagella is present here. It is spore. So these spores are produced as a result of this mitosis division. One cell produces a large number of spores. They may have flagella for the movement. So these spores, they float on the surface of water. They reach into the new habitat. There they develop into a new filament. That is called asexual reproduction by zoospore. The sexual reproduction means in this sexual reproduction, two cells, any two cells, act as a male cell, act as a female cell. This cell go under reduction division and produce male gamete and female gamete. अंडरस्टूड. फिर इसको समझे और थोड़ा सा क्लियर करके कि जस्ट यू सी ये फिलामेंट है स्पाइरोगायरा का. ओके, इस फिलामेंट में एक सेल ये है, सपोज वन सेल, और ये सेल टू. इट एक्ट एज ए मेल सेल, इट एक्ट एज ए फीमेल, इट प्रोड्यूस मेल गैमीट, इट प्रोड्यूस फीमेल गैमीट. दिस मेल गैमीट कम टू द फीमेल एंड हियर zygote will form. Okay, that is called sexual reproduction. So this is Now example is Spirogyra, ball box, Urethrix and Chara. These are the example. Two diagram I have drawn here, boreworks and spirogyra. Now this second number, Phaeophyceae. Again, example, Laminaria, Fucus, Sargassum. Two diagram. One is the Laminaria, one diagram. Second is the Sargassum. The Sargassum and Laminaria is the example of Phaeophyceae. They are more developed compared to the Chlorophyceae. How? Because their thallus has been divided into three structures: one leaf-like structure, one stalk-like structure, and one vase. So vase is called holdfast. This stalk is called stipe, and it is a leaf-like structure, brown in color, is called frond. So three part: holdfast, stipe, and frond. There is no such type of structure is seen in Chlorophyceae. It means you can say they are bit developed compared to the Chlorophyceae. Regarding they are brown in color. They are brown in color because due to the presence of chlorophyll A and C. Here chlorophyll, in this chlorophyll A and B. Here chlorophyll A and C. Beside this chlorophyll, carotenoid, xanthophyll, fucoxanthin, fucoxanthin, and carotenoid. These pigments are also present along with chlorophyll A and C. That's why the color of this pigment is brown due to this xanthophyll, and antithallus is brown in color. That's why this algae is called brown algae. इनको क्या कहेंगे? ब्राउन एल्गी. क्यों? इनके अंदर पिगमेंट कैसा है? ब्राउन कलर का है. ओके. थैलस के बारे में मैंने तुमको बता दिया कि लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, होल्डफास्ट है, स्टाइप है. थ्री पार्ट्स यहाँ पर क्लियर, जो हमें डायग्राम में भी दिखाई दे रहे हैं. ये लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई दे रहा है, स्टॉक दिखाई दे रहा है, एंड उसका बेसल पार्ट दैट इज द होल्डफास्ट. सेम स्ट्रक्चर हियर, sargassum. Then this habitat, they are all marine water, not in fresh water. Marine water, sea water. They are found on the sea water. Regarding the reproduction, same type of reproduction as in Chlorophyceae takes place. Fragmentation of support. This frond break up into the two parts. Then again, this each part is able to develop into a complete algae. So this is the reproduction. Come to the third, that is the Rhodophyceae. Rhodo means red. That is called red algae. This Rhodophyceae is the red algae found in marine water. At the surface, they are totally 100% found in marine water, where some species they float on the surface of water where they are getting maximum sunlight. Others are found very deep of the sea water where the temperature is very low. So at two places, on the surface water as well as on the bottom water of the sea, marine water, this is the habitat of this third Rhodophyceae. This red color किसकी वजह से है? रेड कलर इसमें क्लोरोफिल ए एंड डी. तो क्लोरोफिल ए तो सभी में है, इतना क्लियर है. पहले में क्लोरोफिल ए और बी है, दूसरे में क्लोरोफिल ए और सी है, इसमें क्लोरोफिल ए एंड डी. बिसाइड क्या है इसके अंदर? दिस फाइकोएरिथ्रीन इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट in as a pigment in chloroplast. That's why the color is red. So they are called red algae. They spread on the surface of sea water. Okay, they change the color, so the sea appears as a red color sea. This sea red marine water because they spread on the surface. This water is not visible, only this algae they are making a coating, so this water appears as a red. So we say that it is the Red Sea. Okay, then reproduction asexual by the spore and sexual reproduction by the zygote formation, gamete, male gamete and female gamete, zygote formation. Thallus is branched. Here this thallus, it is branched. There's Polysiphonia. Polysiphonia is the example. This is a herb-like, grasses-like, herb-like structure. Branch, so many branches. They are multicellular, so many branches, and green in color. Regarding the economic importance, now just economic importance of algae. Here, general economic importance of algae. This economic importance of algae. 1. Many species of this algae used as food for cattle. Some species used in preparation of ice cream. This ice cream is also produced from algae. 3rd, some algae are used for development of used for growing microbes or growing microbes. 3rd, 4th, used as a packing material for animal पैकिंग. जब हमें कोई एनिमल भेजे होते हैं किसी दूसरे प्लेस पर, आउटसाइड फॉरेन में या विदेश में या इंटर स्टेट के अंदर या कंट्री में, तो उसकी पैकिंग की जाती है और पैकिंग में एनिमल लिविंग है, मर जाएगा, तो उस समय उस पैकिंग के साथ साथ इस एक स्पेशल वैरायटी है इसकी एल्गी की, और उस वैरायटी को भी उसके साथ रखते हैं क्योंकि इट इज अ मॉइस्चर एब्जॉर्बिंग एल्गी, सो इट प्रोवाइड द वाटर एंड फूड टू द लिविंग, सो इजीली दिस एनिमल कैन बी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अनदर प्लेस फॉर द पैकिंग. सो दिस इज ऑल 3 टाइप्स ऑफ algae. It is the classification of the algae on the basis of color, pigments, structure and all the things. Okay, thank you very much.